How to fix cookies disabled error on Google Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable cookies on Chrome to resolve this error on your Android device. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings to open Chrome Settings. At this point, scroll all the way down and tap on Site Settings. In the next step, tap on Cookies to open the cookie settings. Following this, make sure the toggle is switched on to allow cookies. Once done, go back and also make sure Block Third-Party Cookies is toggled off, as this can sometimes cause certain websites to display the cookies disabled error. From here, go back to the website that was showing the error and refresh the page. Finally, the cookies error should now be resolved and the website should load normally. And that's it. If this Chrome guide helped you fix the cookies disabled error, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.